we're getting like sciencey on here. Whew. What's up, free babes? It's Emmybrenn. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited. Screw an intro. I am like thrilled for today's video, you guys. So I've seen videos like this a really long time ago and they're starting to resurface, and I have been wanting to do this, and I was like, you know, there's no better time than now. So today I'm gonna trick my taste buds into thinking that sour stuff is sweet. I have the magical fruit right here. They call it the Emmybrenn Miracle Fruit Tablets, and it's off of Amazon. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited to hop in here and see what's in here. I think I have 10 tablets in here. This is my smorgasbord, I love that word, that I have put together. I'm gonna try not to drop this. Honestly, you guys, would be the worst waiter ever. I'd like pour hot soup on like a baby. This is my sort of smorgasbord I got going on here. We have a tomato, we've got strawberries, raspberries, we've got a Granny Smith apple, which is like a sourish apple, some oranges, lemons, limes. Of course, I had to pick up some sour candies, so I have Jolly Sour Bite Octopi, and then I have also the Sour Patch Kids Extreme. We're not messing around here. I am actually so excited for this video, you guys. It's like one of these cool ones. Ooh, okay, this kind of looks like a chocolate bar. So this is what the package looks like. It says Emmybrenn Miracle Fruit Tablets. As for ingredients, it just says miracle fruit powder and cornstarch. Directions, oh here, literally one sentence. Directions for use: place one Emmybrenn tablet on your tongue and dissolve it completely. Okay, let's open this up. It's got like another, oh, wait, whoa. Flavor tripping. Oh my God, it's like a little ticket. Okay, packaging goals. That's pretty cool. So on the back it has a list of foods of stuff. Believe in miracles. So it says lemon, green apple, strawberry, chili pepper, cheese, pineapple, vinegar, and pickles. So I picked up a few things just because I like read some stuff online, like what's the best. I have cheese and vinegar downstairs. I don't have any chili peppers, but I'm gonna go grab some cheese and some vinegar. I'll be right back. Okay. Ugh. Even like smelling the vinegar right now is like making me nauseous. Grab some balsamic vinegar because it didn't really specify what type of vinegar. These are the pickles I grabbed. These are just the Oh Snap little mini bites. Grab some cheese sticks. Okay, I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm so excited. Okay. Little red pills. Smell of vinegar is like making me wanna die. It itself does not taste very good. You're not supposed to swallow, you're supposed to let it do its thing. As the more I let it envelop my mouth, the better. It's been like 3 minutes. Almost there. I'm just kind of like zhuzhing it around my tongue. All right, you guys. Fully dissolved. Good to go, I think. I'm like contemplating on what I want to like dive into first. I feel like I gotta go with the lemons because that's like the most, I don't know, that's insane. Oh, I guess I could start with, I have this little like flavored water. Pomelo grapefruit. I wonder if this is gonna taste any different. I'm like excited. My flavored water has flavor.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Oh, I'm excited now. This is gonna be so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna start off with a lemon. It's just gonna be, I should have done this ASMR. Okay. My God, this tastes like lemonade. I feel like I'm absolutely losing my mind, but this is insane. I've never like casually eaten a lemon. I enjoy lemons, but lime. I don't know why I just smelled it. It doesn't change your smell. Oh, weird. This kind of tastes like a, maybe like a limeade. Weird. Look how freaking big this strawberry is. I don't know why I'm like, oh my God, wow. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna like casually eat these to eat strawberries. Literally, this is the, like, feels like the most ripe, juiciest, most bomb strawberry I've ever had in my entire life. It really tastes like it has like sugar on it. Went into the Granny Smith apple. I took the skin off mine because I have really fragile teeth. Apple is pretty good. right, you guys, I'm gonna dip into these raspberries. I like raspberries to begin with, so we'll see. It literally tastes like candy. That's insane. All right, you guys, this is the one I'm like, I don't know why I'm the most nervous for a tomato. Fun fact about me, I hate eating tomatoes like this. But we'll see, we'll give it a go. I'm gonna bite into it like an apple. This is finally an apple I can actually bite into. It just tastes like a sweeter, almost mild tomato. Not a fan of that one. All right, I'm gonna peel an orange. That tomato is gross. Orange, which I love. I love oranges. I'm really excited. Apparently the tablets work best with, you know, citric sort of foods. Sweet orange juice. Wow, this is insane. This is like the coolest thing. Sour candies. Octopus, Sour Head Extremes. Let's dive in. What's your guys' favorite flavor of Sour Patch? Which one would you guys reach for? I feel like I'm like an orange kind of like person. Okay. This is literally like sweet then sweet. What? You guys, this is such a weird feeling because like usually when I put a Sour Patch, and I never get the extremes, I just get like the regular Sour Patch. I always like make that like pucker face like right when it touches my tongue. But there's like no, it's like when you've had it in your mouth for like a few seconds and the sour kind of dissipates. Just nothing. I'm pretty sensitive to like sour things. Oh, I should have gotten warheads. Maybe I'll do that next time. Now time for the sour octopi. Octopuses. Okay. They always look so weird when they're all like, okay, wait. They look so funny. They never really look like octopi. Oh my god, this is even sweeter than the Sour Patch Extremes. I should not have taken that in one bite. Are these even sour? There's too much in my mouth. That literally tastes like a freaking peach ring with like just the sugar. That tastes not at least bit sour. You guys, so next up we've got pickles. And if you guys know me, I love pickles. The regular dill pickles, it's like my I don't know why I keep smelling things. My smell hasn't changed at all. Really excited. I named my cat after pickles. What the hell? Have you guys ever had bread and butter pickles? Kind of what this tastes like. It's definitely still a pickle. It's just like a sweeter pickle. Gotta cleanse the palate. Okay. Oh, I'm just like staring at this vinegar, like not even close to wanting to like do this. The things I do for my YouTube channel, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the cheese. And I'm not gonna be a savage and just eat the cheese, even though I should. That always irks me when I see people do that. I mean, cheese isn't really like sour to begin with. It's just kind of like creamier, if that makes sense. Like I feel like I'm eating mac and cheese. All right, you guys. I'm so nervous. Balsamic vinegar. Even like the smell right now. Watch it be just like a different vinegar that I was supposed to try. Did I sip it or take it like a shot? I'm gonna sip it. We'll sip it like a fine wine. Wine! I wonder if wine tastes different. I just thought of a video testing out different alcohols with the Emmybrenn. If you guys want to see that, comment down below. That sounds really funny. Okay. That burn's going down. Oh no. That's exactly how you would think it would taste. Maybe sweeter, but hard pass. That's the hard pass. I'm gonna stick with the lemon and the strawberries. So good. All right, guys, my favorites have to be the lemon, the strawberry, and then the orange. Those were all the best tasting to me. Also the, oh, I just got lemon juice on my eyeball. I didn't get my actual eye. The Sour Patch Kids were crazy. They tasted just not sour. Balsamic vinegar was definitely a bad choice. The cheese tasted creamy, and the pickles just tasted sweeter, just like less bitey, if that makes sense. This was crazy. It has like exceeded my expectations. I thought like maybe it'd be like slightly like, no, it really does change the flavor of things. And lemons are like my new favorite snack. I feel like I'm gonna get so many canker sores after this. Alright, you guys, well that was crazy. That was insane. I would highly recommend it to anybody who just wants to, I don't know, try something different. I want to get all my friends together now and like all try like a bunch of different stuff and see kind of what tastes differently. I want to actually try like lemonade and see if that is different. I also want to try different liquors like wine. I feel like sake would taste different, like all types of things. I feel like that'd be hilarious. If you guys did want to pick up these tablets, I will make sure to link them down in the description box below. I got them on Amazon Prime. It was like 15 bucks for 10 tablets. Pretty reasonable for a pretty fun time. This is so crazy. It's just like a new experience. I feel like I'm experiencing like fruit for like the first time. It's so crazy. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and down below. Leave any comments, or if you guys have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Ooh, we're getting like sciencey on here. Whew.